Hey everyone, it's Jack Fuki again. I'm back with another 1/500 scale airliner review. Today we're going to be looking at the Herpa Emirates Boeing 777-31 HER, Herpa catalog number 523486. It is a 2012 limited production, comes in the 2000s colors, and has the 1000th 777 banner plastered on the rear end of it. It's let's see what else. What's my usual deal here? Oh yeah, the registration is A6-EGO, and is powered by two General Electric 90-115B engines. As you can see, it's I don't think it says Herpa anywhere on the box. Pretty nice box though. I like that they did something different with it. It's not your, oh yeah, there's the 1000th 777. Officially Alliance Boeing product, as they all are. Oh, well, duh, there it is. It says Herpa right on the side. The basic stuff there. There's somebody outside beating dogs to death. That's what you're hearing. No, not really, but it'd be nice if they shut up. But there is the plane. As I mentioned before, the 777 is probably, I think, right after the 747. Well, no, I think I'd probably say I like it a little bit more than the 747 now. You know, everybody's got their favorites, but you got the Concorde and the 757, 747. Those seem to usually be everybody's top planes. There's that 1000th 777 logo plastered on there. Oh yeah, we didn't take a look there at the engines. You can see that gold, metallic gold Emirates logo. Actually, didn't I say I was going to start doing the videos like that? Just doing like a side view. Real nice. And it is the 1000th one, including all the 200 models, so it's not really restricted to just this, you know, the 300 model. It says Emirates on the bottom there, obviously, and it's got the logo from the airline there. The engines aren't too bad. Two-piece engines. But that should do it. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay? Later, everyone.